Cosmic Angel. Away they came to a great line, the two. Kilbannon Clare on the inside, the 5 towards the outer. Killannon Laurel and 6 out wide. Cosmic Angel are all prominent. As it turned down the back, it's the 5 Killannon Laurel that goes on by 2 lengths. 2 in second place, Kilbannon Clare. 4 back in third place, it's Punch Bag down past halfway. It's the 5 still, Killannon Laurel that leads. The advantage will be 2.5 lengths. Hitting the crown of the home bend, make that 3. Off the home turn, the older one sitting at old Killannon Laurel. Striding out well. I'm going to land the spoils by 4.5 lengths. 2 in second place, Kilbannon Clare. Maybe the 6 Cosmic Angel over the 4 Punch Bag for third in a time of 29.44.